Welcome back to Learning English with Megan and David.
We're so glad you could join us today.
Hello and welcome to Learning English. I'm Megan.
And I'm David. Welcome.
Today, we're going to teach you how to talk about your day in simple English.
This is very practical.
You'll use this English every single day.
When someone asks, "How is your day?" you'll know what to say.
We're not going to teach you grammar rules
We're just going to show you natural, simple sentences.
that real people use every day.
Let's start with the morning.
What do you do in the morning?
Here are common morning activities.
I wake up.
I get out of bed.
I brush my teeth.
I take a shower.
I get dressed.
I eat breakfast.
I drink coffee.
I leave for work.
Let's practice these slowly.
I wake up.
Now you try.
Pause.
Good. Next one.
I brush my teeth.
Now you try.
Pause.
Perfect. Now let's add time to these sentences.
I wake up at 6 a.m.
I eat breakfast at 7 o'clock.
I leave for work at 8:30.
This makes your sentences more specific.
Let's practice.
I wake up at 6 a.m.
Now you try. When do you wake up?
Pause. Good. Now let's talk about the afternoon.
What do you do in the afternoon?
Here are common activities. I work.
I eat lunch.
I take a break.
I finish work.
I go home.
Let's practice.
I eat lunch.
Now you try.
Pause. Good. Let's add more detail. I eat lunch at noon.
I work from 9 to 5.
I take a break at 3 o'clock.
See? We're adding when things happen.
Let's practice a full sentence.
I work from 9 to 5.
Now you try. What are your work hours?
Pause.
Great. Now let's talk about the evening.
What do you do in the evening?
Here are common activities.
I make dinner.
I eat dinner.
I watch TV.
I relax.
I spend time with family.
I do homework.
I go to bed.
Let's practice.
I make dinner.
Now you try.
Pause.
Good. Let's add time again.
I make dinner at 6 p.m.
I watch TV at 8 o'clock.
I go to bed at 10:30.
Let's practice.
I go to bed at 10:30.
Now you try. When do you go to bed? Pause. Perfect. Now let's learn how to describe your whole day.
You can say first, then, after that, finally.
These words help you organize your day.
Let me show you.
First, I wake up at 6 a.m. Then I eat breakfast. After that, I go to work. Finally, I come home at 5 p.m.
See? That tells the story of my day.
Let's practice these connecting words.
First,
Then,
after that.
finally.
Now you try describing your morning.
First, I.
Pause.
Then, I.
Pause.
After that, I.
Pause.
Good job. Now let's learn how to talk about what you did yesterday.
This is past tense.
But don't worry about the grammar term.
Just listen to how the verbs change.
I wake up. Yesterday, I woke up.
I eat breakfast. Yesterday, I ate breakfast.
I go to work. Yesterday, I went to work.
Notice the words changed a little.
Let's practice past tense sentences.
Yesterday, I woke up at 6 a.m.
Yesterday, I ate lunch at noon.
Yesterday, I went to bed early.
Let's practice.
Yesterday, I woke up at 6 a.m.
Now you try. What did you do yesterday morning?
Pause.
Excellent. Now let's learn a very useful phrase.
This morning.
You use this to talk about earlier today.
This morning, I woke up late.
This morning, I drank 2 cups of coffee.
This morning, I was very tired.
Let's practice.
This morning, I woke up late.
Now you try. What did you do this morning?
Pause.
Good. Now let's learn about typical days versus today.
Usually means your normal routine.
Today means what's different right now.
Let me show you.
Usually, I wake up at 6 a.m., but today I woke up at 7 a.m.
Usually, I eat breakfast at home, but today I ate breakfast at a cafe.
See the difference?
Let's practice.
Usually, I wake up at 6 a.m.
But today, I woke up at 7 a.m.
Now you try. What do you usually do? What did you do today?
Pause.
Perfect. Now let's learn how to answer, how was your day?
This is a very common question.
People ask this all the time.
Here are simple answers.
It was good.
It was okay.
It was busy.
It was tiring.
It was productive.
It was slow.
Let's practice these.
It was good.
Now you try.
Pause.
Good. You can also add more detail. It was good. I finished all my work.
It was busy. I had 5 meetings.
It was tiring. I worked 10 hours.
Let's practice a full answer. It was busy. I had 5 meetings.
Now you try. How was your day yesterday?
Pause.
Excellent. Now let's learn how to ask someone about their day.
The most common question is, how was your day?
You can also say, how's your day going? This is for right now.
Or, did you have a good day?
All 3 are natural.
Let's practice asking.
How was your day?
Now you try. Pause.
Good. Let's do a conversation. Hey, David, how was your day?
It was good. Pretty busy. How about you?
Same. I had a lot of meetings.
Yeah, me too.
See? A natural conversation. Now let's practice. I'll ask you. How was your day?
Pause and answer.
Great. In part 2, we'll learn more about talking about your day.
We'll practice weekends, common mistakes, and more conversations.
Thank you for listening to part 1.
Keep practicing.
See you in part 2.
Bye for now.
Welcome back to Learning English. I'm Megan.
And I'm David. Welcome to part 2.
In part 1, we learned how to talk about your daily routine.
Morning, afternoon, and evening activities.
Now we're going to learn more useful phrases.
Let's talk about weekend activities.
Because people will ask, what did you do this weekend?
Here are common weekend activities.
I relaxed at home.
I went shopping.
I visited friends.
I cleaned my house.
I watched movies.
I went to the park.
Let's practice.
I relaxed at home.
Now you try. What did you do last weekend?
Pause.
Good. Now let's learn some phrases for when nothing special happened.
Sometimes people ask about your day and nothing exciting happened.
That's okay. Here's what to say.
Nothing special.
Just a regular day.
Not much.
Same as usual.
These are all fine answers.
Let's practice a conversation.
Hey, what did you do today?
Nothing special, just worked. How about you?
Same, just a regular day.
See, you don't need an exciting story every time.
Now let's talk about common mistakes.
Mistake number 1, mixing up wake up and get up.
Wake up means you open your eyes.
Get up means you leave the bed.
Both are used, but they're slightly different.
I woke up at 6, but I got up at 6:30.
This means I stayed in bed for 30 minutes.
Let's practice both.
I woke up at 6 a.m.
I got up at 6:30.
Good. Mistake number 2, saying I go to work yesterday.
That's wrong. Yesterday is past, so you need I went to work yesterday.
Let's practice the right way.
I went to work yesterday.
Yesterday, I went to the store.
Last week, I went to the doctor.
Perfect. Mistake number 3, saying I'm wake up at 6 a.m.
That's wrong. Just say, I wake up at 6 a.m.,
Or, I woke up at 6 a.m.
but not I'm wake up.
Let's practice.
I wake up at 6 a.m.
I woke up at 6 a.m.
Good. Now let's do a longer role play.
Imagine you're talking to a coworker.
I'll be the coworker. Hey, good morning. How's your day going so far?
Good morning. It's going well. I woke up a little late, but I'm here on time.
That's good. What did you do last night?
I just relaxed at home, watched some TV. How about you?
Same. I made dinner and went to bed early.
Nice.
See? A normal, everyday conversation.
Now you try. I'll ask the questions.
How's your day going?
Pause.
What did you do this morning?
Pause.
Any plans for tonight?
Pause.
Perfect. Now let's learn more time expressions.
These help you talk about when things happened.
Last night, last week, last month, last year.
This week, this month, this year.
Next week, next month, next year.
Let's practice using them.
Last night, I went to bed early.
Last week, I visited my friend.
This week, I'm very busy.
Next week, I have a vacation.
Let's practice. Last night, I went to bed early. Now you try. Make a sentence with last night.
Pause.
Good. Now with this week.
Pause.
Excellent. Now let's learn phrases for routines.
Routines are things you do regularly.
Every day,
Every morning,
every evening,
on weekdays.
on weekends.
Let's use them.
Every day, I walk my dog.
Every morning, I drink coffee.
Every evening, I watch the news.
On weekdays, I work.
On weekends, I relax.
Let's practice.
Every day, I walk my dog. Now you try. What do you do every day?
Pause.
Good. Now let's learn how to talk about changes in your routine.
Sometimes your routine changes.
Here's how to talk about it. I used to wake up at 6, but now I wake up at 7.
I used to drive to work, but now I take the bus.
I used to eat out a lot, but now I cook at home.
Used to means you did something before, but not anymore.
Let's practice. I used to wake up at 6. Now you try. What did you used to do?
Pause.
Good. Now let's practice more conversations.
Conversation 1. At work.
I'll be your coworker. Morning, how was your weekend?
It was good. I relaxed mostly. How about you?
Same. I didn't do much, just stayed home.
Nice and restful.
Yeah, exactly.
See? Simple and friendly.
Conversation 2. With a friend.
I'll be your friend. Hey, what are you up to today?
Not much, just running errands. You?
Same. I need to go to the store.
Oh, me too. Maybe we can go together?
Sure, that sounds good.
Perfect. Natural planning.
Now, conversation 3 on the phone.
I'll call you. Ring ring. Hey, it's Megan. How's your day?
Hi, it's going okay. Just working. How about you?
Same. Hey, do you want to get dinner later?
Sure, what time?
Maybe 7?
Sounds good. See you then.
Great. Bye.
See, making plans is easy.
Now let's learn phrases for tired days.
Some days are harder than others.
Here's how to talk about it.
I'm exhausted.
I'm so tired.
It was a long day.
I need to rest.
I can't wait to go home.
These are honest and common.
Let's practice.
I'm exhausted.
Now you try.
Pause. Good. Now let's learn phrases for good days.
When things go well, you can say,
It was a great day.
everything went smoothly.
I'm in a good mood.
I'm feeling great.
It was productive.
Let's practice.
It was a great day. Now you try.
Pause.
Perfect. Now let's do our long recap.
Today we learned how to talk about your day in simple English.
We learned morning activities. I wake up, I brush my teeth, I eat breakfast.
We learned afternoon activities. I work, I eat lunch, I take a break.
We learned evening activities. I make dinner, I watch TV, I go to bed.
We learned how to add time. I wake up at 6 a.m. I eat lunch at noon.
We learned connecting words, first, then, after that, finally.
We learned past tense naturally. I woke up, I ate, I went.
We learned useful phrases this morning, yesterday, last night.
We learned how to answer, how was your day? It was good. It was busy.
We learned weekend phrases. I relaxed at home. I visited friends.
We learned what to say when nothing special happened. Nothing special, just a regular day.
We fixed common mistakes. I went to work yesterday, not I go.
We learned time expressions last week, this week, next week.
We learned routine phrases every day, every morning, on weekends.
We learned how to talk about changes. I used to, but now I.
We practiced conversations at work, with friends, on the phone.
We learned phrases for tired days. I'm exhausted. It was a long day.
And phrases for good days. It was great. Everything went smoothly.
The most important lesson is this.
You don't need complicated English to describe your day.
Simple verbs in simple times are enough.
I woke up at 6, I went to work, I came home.
That's all you need.
Real conversations are simple.
Here's your challenge.
Tonight before bed, describe your day out loud in English.
Just 3 sentences.
What you did in the morning, afternoon, and evening.
Practice this every night for 1 week.
Your brain will start thinking in English naturally.
Thank you for listening.
We hope this helps you every day.
Keep practicing.
Keep speaking.
You're doing wonderful.
Goodbye for now.
See you next time.
Please subscribe to the channel. See you next time.